Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm working on another project. It's just another shoe, 3D shoe. And this is the pattern here. I already made this several times. So I have it already ready to go. And I think I'm going to use, it's this paper pad that I got from a D-Stash. It's an old Michael's paper pad. It's Stay Magical. And I mainly want like purplish colors. And this is a single-sided paper. So I want to make sure that I have two of each. Okay. So we got one of those, because I'm going to make a pair of shoes. So I'm going to put the rest of this video on time lapse because we've already gone through this before. I already, it's the original video is in my video categories, whatever files on my channel. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on time lapse and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have two pairs of the 3D shoe. And this is the first pair that I started with. And you can see on the inside I made a mistake. It's supposed to be purple. So that one, the inside is purple. And I made the paper, I glued the paper to the opposite side. So yeah, I made that mistake. But anyway, for the shoelaces, I used some Christmas cording. I hauled this from Hobby Lobby last year during their clearance sale. So this is Christmas crafts, and it's just a regular packaging cording. So I used that. For the trims, I took it to the sewing machine and I did this little star stitch detail on the attachments. So you do all your stitching before you glue everything together. So I did all of that. And the one thing I learned in making these shoes is this is a separate piece right here, and this is a separate piece, the top of the shoe. And I stitched these pieces together, and then I attached it to this piece here before I attached it to the shoe, to the main part of the shoe. So it's a long process, but Carolina, I think, did a great job on her tutorial, so I don't feel like that I have to make another tutorial. I'll just try to link her video down below. So I added the stitching, and this thread is it's a white thread with the iridescent accents, and I'm just so pleased that it went through the sewing machine, no problem. So that's what I used for my threading to make all the stitching. So that is what that looks like. And then I used my die from Carolyn, who gifted me the die cutting machine. So I used this die that she had gifted to me to create my bow. And I didn't put anything on the inside. So it's single-sided paper, so I didn't bother making it double-sided. The other thing I wanted to tell you was this is separate pieces too. What I did before I attached it to the shoe again, I put these two pieces together, the matching pieces, and I punched my holes all at once so that they're all lined up. And then I put the grommets before I attached it to the main part of the shoe. So if you do all of that before you attach it, it makes it easier rather than attaching it to the shoe and then trying to punch the holes. So you could do that all before you attach them together. And then that's it. And this is just another, the second piece for the shoe. And it just covers up all those folded attachments. Same with this one. So that's what it looks like. And this little gem is from Miss June. Miss June Lanham. Okay, my voice is tired. That's why I sound weird. Okay, so this is the second pair. And what I did was I had two 12 by 12 of the solid purple. And then I had two 12 by 12s of the diamond. So I just cut the shoe out 4 times. And then I swapped some of the pattern papers for the other shoe so that it would be the opposite. And you can see here, so what is purple here is the pattern paper on the other shoe. So they're all the same. There's no left and right foot. It's just, they're just all the same. Okay, and it's just a matter of how you want to display it and all that. So thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.